Yes, basta may account number pwede mong gamitin para sa Upwork. So, halimbawa, nakahanap na kayo ng client sa Upwork. Tapos, na-download nyo na yung time tracker, kunwari early yung nakuha nyo. After 2 weeks, sasahod na kayo. Before that, as soon as mag-accept kayo ng offer, I highly recommend i-add nyo na yung bank account ninyo sa Upwork. And here's how to do it. Login kayo sa Upwork account nyo. Pagkatapos, click nyo tong picture nyo to. Click on account settings. Click on get paid. Add method. And nandito yung choices kung anong gamitin ninyo na pinakang bank account. If you want to use direct to local bank account, if you want to use your Payoneer, if you want to use your PayPal, nandito na rin yung kung magkano yung charge niya. Ako, para sa akin talaga, pinakang okay pa rin is direct to local bank account. Although, you might wanna check kung ganong kabilis pumasok kasi may mga banks na mas mabagal versus, halimbawa ako, Union Bank, it only takes a couple of hours. BDO, gano'ng katagal pag Upwork, love? Kalahating araw, no? So, pag mag-withdraw ka sa umaga, like 8 a.m., siya pumapasok ng Friday.
8 a.m. pumasok.
Oo. So, pag tumulog ka, pag isip mo mga 12-1, meron na. Minsan naman 3, minsan gabi wala pa, no?
Minsan.
Okay.
Pero madalas ay
Madalas maaga.
Madalas ay 4 hours lang.
4 hours, okay. So, hindi na siya kagaya nung unang panahon kasi dati talagang araw yung inintay mo. Ngayon, mas mabilis na siyang pumasok. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!